What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, my people. Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Honestly, all right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you are doing wellness check for your family, your friend, even your enemy. Make sure you do some wellness check. Call people, ask them if them all right. Even when them say them all right, go over there go check, because mental health is not joke. Guys, we can't say it enough. We can't ask enough. Christmas a come and we want, we yama, we llama, we food, we curry goat, we everything. So guys, me ask you, me beg you. I believe I have 2 more weeks. 2 more weeks to get as much money where we can send for a couple people at Jamaica. Me need to do 4 or 5. If me can do 6, 7, that would be very good. So guys, me a beg you, give me some money, send some money, lend me some money, and me a beg you some money. Guys, me no normally do them as either, but you don't know more if make some Jamaican have a nice little Christmas. So them can at least have some food to eat, so them can cook them food. Them a get care package, but would I like to make them can at least buy them own food or to buy some zinc. Because you don't know December is a rainy month and January around the corner. New Year, no house, nowhere to live. Why? It's rough, so I could see if we can help them. Jaja know. Yeah, man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to content creators. Yeah, man. I want to talk to content creators, not subscribers or viewers. Content creators. This is a message to all content creators. Now, for the past couple years, me I watch YouTube. Me I watch, me how? Me I 53 years old. So, you know, say me I watch TV from Wapikill Philip. You know me I watch TV from a long time, from JBC, from when 12 o'clock come on the TV, gone, we don't have nothing more to watch, till TV come 24 hours. Long time me I watch TV. But what me really want to say about and to the content creators them, whether if you're big, small, little, or me no care you who, me want to say something to you, you see? Me realize say you a content creator, but some of you have some thin skin. Yes, some of you have some thin skin. Some of you content creator, I not call no name, me talk about wide, everybody me talk, me myself. What me say, I go on social media, I say, is that you are, well, we are Jamaicans, content creator, don't understand content creating, or we don't understand the platform, or we don't understand social media. In other words, we don't understand what we're really doing. Let me explain. You come out on social media and you put your life out on social media, but as soon as somebody talk about you, then bad man. As soon as somebody talk about that person, then bad man. As soon as somebody call your name, you bad man. As soon as somebody says something towards you as a content creator, you believe you must attack. As soon as a person opens their mouth about you, you believe you must go attack, because nobody must say nothing about you. People mustn't talk about you. People must leave you alone. People must leave your business alone. No, you're in the wrong business. All of you content creators out there, look on it that way, only in the wrong business. Pack up, light a candle, sing a song, and delete on the channel if a sound no believe. Social media is, no, social media is not that. One of the biggest thing can happen to any one of you content creator out there is when people are talk about uno. The only thing you need to do is make sure it is not anything bad. Now, let us talk about this. Uno see how the media did a tear up CMR. Me was tearing up CMR. Where's CMR there now? CMR still up on social media. People still are watching video. Them still are get brand deal, don't it? So why are some of you coming out talking about man, people bad mind, man this, man that, this, that, terror not, nobody know if you call me. Let me say this though. Get a hold on yourself. A few of you start to see some money, start to make some money, and all of a sudden, you think you untouchable, you think nobody can say nothing about you think nobody shouldn't say nothing about you. But remember this. Remember this. Reporting. Reporters. What do you call that name? There's another name. There's another name. Whenever time I find it, I will tell you. But reporting, reporters, people who go days without eating just to find one information. Those are the people who making the money. If you can sell one report to the tabloids, you can make up to $1 million in the United States. Because that's what sells in the United States. Gossip. Gossip is one of the biggest money-making thing in the world. Gossip. So when some of you get up and I talk about, oh, no man no fi call no name, and no man no fi say this, and no man no fi talk this about, come on now, man. Think about it. Look another job. If that's how you all feel that nobody should say anything or nobody should ask anything, I'll hold and stick up it. I don't want to call nobody name, because me talk about a wide variety of content creators. Now, I'm going to say something. I'm going to dip a little bit deeper into the subscribers and viewers. The subscribers and the viewers have all right to ask us any question they want to ask us. And let me explain something to each and every one of you content creator. You all believe you make yourself? Eh? You all believe you make yourself? No. The viewers and the subscribers is who make to be who is today. So if a viewer or a subscriber asks a question or says something, you have two opinions, two things to do. You either answer or you don't answer. Simple. You either like it or you don't like it. Simple arithmetic. Simple. There's nothing hard in that. There's nothing tough in that. There is nothing bad in that. Just answer the question or you don't answer the question and you move on. Then you have some content creator who believe some content creator is and should be not touched or should not be talked about. No, 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 no. You all are wrong when you come on to that. Once you put your life on social media, oh, I find the name, paparazzi. Yes, paparazzi, they are the one, they make so much money. You know how much paparazzi get punched in their mouth, get sued, lawsuit, and all those kind of things? You know how much paparazzi sue celebrities and win and make millions? Let me say this. Once you are a human being, and you live on the world, on the earth, people going to talk about you. People is going to talk about you. Whether if they go say lie, truth, not true, some lie, not lie, they go talk about you. What you have to do is buckle up yourself and keep driving, keep moving, keep working hard for what you have and what you want out of life. But when you're going to come out and going to say, oh, that content creator is talking about that content creator is talking about, listen to me now, it doesn't make sense. Because at the end of the day, content creating is reporting. Reporting is paparazzi. Paparazzi is gossip. The whole of it is gossip, reporting, news, information. It's all out there for you to see and for somebody to pick out something out of it, for somebody to talk about it, good or bad. Now, what I really going to say, I am thanking every single person who watch my videos, who like my videos, who comment on my videos. Whether if it's bad or good. The other day a person tell me say they are 63-year-old and I look older than them. I wonder how them attack now. When me out of the sun, I want. How me look? How me look? If I trim off this beard there, we don't run out of no clothes. That's what the person said to me. They are 63 and I am 53, so 10 years older than me. And they said they look younger than me. My dad was 72 years old and look younger than me. Because my dad do not carry hair on his face. And as a matter of fact, before he passed away, when he was laying down on the bed, he asked me why I have hair on my face. While he was telling me to shave off his hair, and remember, he's dying from prostate cancer, and he tell me to shave him, and I shave him, and he look in the glass and he said, no, there was some hair on it. I have to shave off everything clean, even his head. Some viewers and subscribers, listen to me now. If you don't want nobody to talk about you, don't come on YouTube. Please do not come on YouTube. And guys, I am also going to say this to every one of you out there. Once you have a YouTube channel, you do not have a private life. Let me say that to each and every one of you who claims, oh, that's my private life. Oh, that's his private life. Let me say this. Once you have a YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, any of those social media platforms, your life isn't private no more. And as a matter of fact, when you have a YouTube channel, you see, and you put your wife, your kids, your family on that YouTube channel, they're going to tell you this. You don't have no private life. Again, your private life is now the public life. Because also you have to remember, those people that is called subscribers and viewers, they don't own you. They own your ass. They own you. Some of you don't understand this. You know? Those people go to work, come home from work, take off them clothes, get them food, get a drink, sit down in them couch, ready to watch you. They're invested Listen, oh Lord Jesus have mercy. Listen me, content creators. Your subscribers and your viewers invested in a you. Sure. Listen me, no man. All I know out there where I beat up on gum and attack and I go on like have sense and I go on like educated, dunce. Yeah, man, me say it, man. No for dunce. Without these content, without these subscribers and viewers, no got no money. Hold on. Let me say that again. Without the subscribers and the viewers, no got no money. So if you have respect for them, love them. Someone out there disrespect the same people that we are watching the video. Let me tell you something. Sometimes them say some things to me, and me say back a few things to them, Sometimes one of them send me a message say me childish. One of them send me a message say me childish. But I'm not childish. Me just assure them say, listen, I content me I make. So even though you may say me a joke, me very, very serious about what me I do. It is very important to put the things out there that is going on around us. Sometimes people just feel say if you talk about them, but it cannot go like that. It should never go like that, and it will never go like that. Not because you is who you is. You go tell people can't call, people shouldn't call. You cannot stop nobody from talk about us as content creators. We're going to have haters, we're going to have people who love us. We're going to have people who like us, we're going to have people who respect us. We're going to have people who don't even care to see, hear, or want to talk to us another time. So, guys, again, always remember this. So whenever time you see our subscribers and our viewers, remember, you owe that person a lot. Because without that viewer and that subscriber, you ain't nothing. Remember that. And to the people who me say oh them unsubscribe from me, I have nothing bad to say to you. But what I go say to you is, once you unsubscribe from me because of something that I said about something that somebody that you like, you wasn't my subscriber. You was their subscriber, but you subscribe to me because you know that I talk good about a person and want me to continue to talk good about a person. But let me say this to you. Again, I am a reporter. I am a paparazzi. I deliver information, whether if it's good or bad. So, not because I talk something that you don't like and you go be like, oh yeah, I unsubscribe from Rodney because he do this, because he do that. When you unsubscribe, I'll get 4 or 5 or 10, maybe 500 more. And the thing is, you see one may come back and watch my videos even though you don't subscribe anymore. And that's just how life is. And I have nothing bad to say to you. I have nothing bad is going to say about you. Because at the end of the day, each of us have our own opinion. And we have to respect our own opinion, and we have to respect that person's opinion because that's that person's opinion. Why cannot we do that? People talk bother me. What I do is I either make a video, counteract, or I leave it alone. I saw a guy with a video talking about me, and I didn't even watch the video, what he was talking about. Because guess what? He's not going to get no stripe off of me. No. Because I realize him I look stripe. But him now go get a stripe off of me because me now go address him. So, my viewers and subscribers, with that said, that's just me talking to all content creators. None of you is above nobody. None of you is above nobody. And remember, the only reason why we as content creators can and will make money on YouTube is if the subscribers and the viewers watch, like, share, comment on our video. That's the only way we go make money. So sometimes when you see these subscribers and these viewers, know that these people are the one who is making you money put in your pocket. Have some respect for them. Show them some respect and stop act like uno think. Uno make the money. And uno make the money. Uno get the money because the content, the subscribers and the viewers is watching the videos. Remember Daddy Gargan it says, him now monetize because him want when him ready to talk, him can talk anything. Because subscriber, we say them now watch your video. Or them now, the viewers, we say them now subscribe to you. Or them I go unsubscribe. And because somebody said them I go unsubscribe or you're afraid somebody unsubscribe, you don't want to make the real video where you really want to make. See what I say? So you have to respect the viewers and the subscribers. With that said, my people, I love you, you know. Yeah, man. I love every one of you. All of you, I love. I respect you, I care about you. Sometimes you bash me still, sometimes you cuss me, but I understand. You all have an opinion. When I respect, I love your opinion, I like your opinion, I like you too. I love you too. Enough respect, manners, and enough respect. Again, stay blessed. You don't know. And guys, you know the t-shirt them out there, the Stay Blessed t-shirt them, yeah man. Another set coming out, where is a different design, I come out, you don't know, we still do the work, and enough more work I come. But my guys, my friends, my family, my people, enough respect, stay blessed. I'm out. Bye bye.